I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the original language and choosing the target language because auto-dubbing needs a clear source. Once in YouTube Studio, go to Content and open the video, then the Subtitles tab. This is where YouTube processes speech to text. If auto-dub is offered, enable it, otherwise upload a clean transcript, SRT or TXT to improve accuracy. Make sure captions sync correctly first, since the auto-dub builds on those timestamps and text to generate natural pacing in the dub track. Once the transcript is in place, you choose the target voice and tweak timing, because the right voice and pacing make dubbing believable. Preview different voice options and speed to match the original energy. Longer lines should be split into shorter segments so phrases don't overlap speech. Make targeted transcript edits for names, acronyms, or technical terms to avoid mispronunciations. Then preview the automated dub alongside the original video to spot mismatches in timing or tone before finalizing. To finish, you review the full dub preview and listen critically for timing, mispronunciations, and unnatural pauses. Compare waveforms to confirm alignment. Once satisfied, publish the dub as an alternate language track or replace the audio, and always keep a backup of your original files. If you encounter persistent errors, re-edit the transcript for clarity, split problematic lines, or record a manual voiceover. If automated fixes fail, escalate by contacting YouTube support. This saves time versus repeated trial and error adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.